Former Mkoba MP and Citizen Coalition for Change, Triple C National Organizing Secretary Amos Chibaya has been acquitted of incitement of violence charges. Sarabina mashoko kuda panguwa ina chinokonza Amos Chibaya over acquitted of incitement of violent charges. Panguwa ino chitiko chashoka vanhu chasikuonekwa kunzi munyika yeZimbabwe hamuna kana freedom. Opposition inasikuonekwa kunzi iri loyal to the citizens. Opposition yasikuonekwa kunzi it is the true opposition inouya panguva ino ichidismissa ZANU-PF irikuva ichifesa aiwa zvinhu zvakasiyana siyana. Don't forget subscribe, like on the bell kuti muna mobile pamuchinzi. Chibaya, a veteran opposition figure and key organizer in the Triple C, was arrested on 25 June 2024 and spent more than a month in a pre-trial detention. The charges stemmed from remarks he made publicly condemning the court's continued denial of bail to fellow Triple C members, including Jameson Timber. In a statement on Wednesday, 2 July 2025, a Triple C faction aligned with the former party president, Nelson Chamisa, welcomed the ruling, saying Chibaya was imprisoned simply for fighting for a better Zimbabwe, the Triple C said. The state failed to prove its case against him because he is innocent. He committed no crime. This is not Chibaya's first arrest. He has been detained multiple times for advocating for citizens' rights. The regime in Zimbabwe continues to persecute voices of reason through politicized prosecution. While criminals roam free, innocent individuals like Honorable Chibaya are imprisoned simply for fighting for a better Zimbabwe. Honorable Chibaya remains steadfast in the struggle for a better Zimbabwe and will continue to demand accountability from the regime for its corrupt practices that have impoverished our people. Loosely translated, Chibaya allegedly said, "This regime fears the people, and when it sees the people, it trembles. They did not win the elections, and we can wake up to find ourselves ruling. Zimbabwe is not ZANU-PF. Zimbabwe is not a Mnangagwa dynasty. Oppressing people must end." It is further alleged that Chibaya invited citizens to come in large numbers to demand the release of their colleagues. Mashoko anoonekwa kunzi ndo akaita kuti Honorable Amos Chibaya vagouya achifesa macharges after auya akataura chokwadi pamusoro the regime achiudza kuti aiwa imimi hamuzi Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe inotongwa nevanhu. Pinda comment section medu mudzimafuniro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up or on the bell.